In this video, I'll show you how to export your email template directly to ActiveCampaign. Once you've finished editing, your changes are automatically saved, so there's no need to save manually. When you're ready, click on the Export button. Under all export options, find ActiveCampaign and click on the ActiveCampaign icon. If you're connecting ActiveCampaign for the first time, you'll need to add a new account. Give your account a name. You can find the detailed instructions here if you need any additional guidance. Then log in to your ActiveCampaign account. Go to Developer option in Settings. Copy your API URL and API key, then paste them into the corresponding fields here. Once the connection is successful, you'll see an export notification in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, go to your ActiveCampaign dashboard and navigate to Campaign Templates under the Email option. You'll find the template you just exported there. Your ActiveCampaign account is now connected and saved, so you can easily export templates whenever you need. And if you want to replace or delete an exported template, simply click the Replace or Delete button. That's it. Your email template has now been successfully exported to ActiveCampaign.